How can user add master account? Go to the master account, and now click on Add Account to create or add a new master account. Firstly, select the product type. Which one you choose, paid or free. I am going to choose free for now. Now, enter the MetaTrader's login ID, and then account name. The account should have a unique name to identify it specifically in future use. And MetaTrader account password. Select the type MT4 or MT5. I am going to select MT4 for now. Add the server information. I am going to add this server. Investor password, it's optional. I am leaving for now as it is. You can enable or disable reverse trading. Reverse trading is a strategy in which the client account automatically takes the opposite trade to the master account. This means if the master account places a buy order, the client account places a sell order, and if the master account places the sell order, the client account places the buy order. And account prefix, it's optional. And account suffix, it's also optional. Prefix and suffix in MT4 and MT5 refer to additional characters or text added to the base symbol name to differentiate between various versions or types of the same symbol. This is often used by brokers to distinguish between different trading conditions or account types. Here we cannot add price value because we have select the product type free. If we will select the product type paid, then we can add price value. But to add paid master account, you have to first connect Stripe account. You will find the link in the description about how to connect your Stripe account. Or you can click here to watch the video. I am going to select free for now. You can add the version value here. Lot filter is a feature that allows traders to set specific conditions on the lot size for their trades. A trader sets a lot filter to only allow trades 0.2 lots. If an order is placed for 0.05 lots, it will be rejected because it does not meet the minimum lot size of 0.2. Orders equal or greater than 0.2 lots will be accepted and executed. You can enable and disable subscriptions from here. After enabling subscriptions, select the time interval. Right now, we are offering only monthly subscriptions. Select the monthly. And below you can see interval count. Interval count specifies the number of intervals between each billing period. For example, if interval is set to month and interval count is set to 3, the subscription will be billed every 3 months. And if interval count is set to 1, the subscription will be billed every month. I am going to disable subscriptions for now. Click on Save. And it's done. Your master account is added. This was the all about adding master account. In the next video we will discuss about how we can add slave account and its all features.